Hi.
I'll put it next to the pecker sniff. Pecker sniff.
Righty.
I'm scared.
You should be. So we're going to do, what do you reckon, start with number 4?
Yeah.
And then come down?
Yeah.
I think 2 might be too severe and I might be able to blend it.
Yeah. I'm not that dead. I won't be that. I'm sure. I have faith you do a reasonably good job.
I'm nowhere near finished.
Okay.
I'm just thinning it out and then I'll...
I look like someone that's going to go and rob a bank. In fact, I've looked very well settled into Belvedere now with that look.
Yeah. I'm doing one bit and then getting worried and moving on to another bit and then going back to the same bit. But the back sort of getting there. Sort of. Do you want to go? It's fun.
You're better with the scissors, right?
He likes the scissor.
Okay. Scissors. I'm going to buy a big butch motorbike after this.
How did you come back from this?
I don't know. You're the one who's doing it.
Oh, I thought you were doing the top.
Yeah, I'm doing the top.
Okay,
I'm just
then.
waiting for
You
you.
have a go to the top then, and I'll come and tidy up once we think we know how to
Right.
meet the middle.
Oh God! Oh God! Every haircut comes with a haircut and scented peck sniff.
I've turned into Neil, so it has to be perfect. I've turned into you, it has to be perfect.
No, it's good. You guys done a really good job.
I feel really weird touching the back of your neck, not in like a sexy way, but it's just like
Trying to
it's
get
not
it
something I
even.
normally do, but apart from dead people.
This is nice.
It's nice, feels nice. I actually miss having hair like that.
How's the fringe looking, girl?
Yeah. I think you're done. All you have to do is to wash your...
Wow!
Look at the back.
Yeah, look at that.